1-1, guys. We are going into an Armageddon now. 10 versus 8. Karthik, you have white with 10 minutes. Kishan, you have black with 8 minutes. Guys, the games have begun. And it's the same opening as in the second game that we witnessed. The French ND2.
Yeah, both Vidit and me played a lot of these French stars.
With black, huh?
The idea
Yes.
is to actually put the knight on c5.
C5, yeah.
Like now queen c7, then knight d7, knight c5. That's the general idea. Because knight on c6 is not so good here.
Okay, actually, this was one of the scenarios which we had to navigate while organizing the event. When we do the Armageddon, what should be the time control? Because it is clearly very difficult for someone who cannot see the board clearly to play quickly without increment.
Yeah.
But I think Kishan knows it now that he has only 8 minutes, so he should speed up.
How does he know the time?
He has put, I think, an extension where when he hovers the arrow above the clock, it reads out. So there is a talk back.
And he's playing the move by himself?
Yes. All players have played the moves by themselves because it is on leeches and it is accessible.
Oh, so he's like typing the moves?
Kishan, I think, makes the arrows by going close. But Ashwin was typing. Even Saundarya was typing. So
yeah, to play in time pressure would be really tough, yeah?
Very tough, very tough.
That's the problem. So I hope he plays fast at least now.
Yeah.
F4 I think will be played, yeah?
Oh, B5 is good. B5 is good.
B4 is actually a good move, stopping C4.
Yeah.
But he has to cover time somehow. I mean,
it's not possible against Karthik, Amruta. He's too quick.
Actually, I think he can play any move, but he should play like Rook F6, Knight F4, Rook C8. All three, all the moves look good, but he should really play fast.
Knight F4 good actually. You know, Bishop E5, Bishop F3 is really a strong threat now, yeah? So Karthik has to be careful. I guess Bishop G3.
Oh, C4.
Oh, this. But
Bishop E5, C D5.
C takes D5. C takes D5.
But Rook D5, and you win a pawn, yeah? I would take it.
Greedy win.
I know you will take it.
One thing Karthik is doing well is he's playing fast.
That he has been doing all the.
I mean, almost you can say.
all the games. Actually, he's slow here. You know.
Yeah.
Kishan has to mate him. He cannot go into some endgame, pawn up endgame. That is too difficult.
No, that is no chance because it's gonna be flag. Yeah.
He wants take, and then full piece up.
No, I think a positional. I mean, the position is clear that black is doing well, but
play 92 check. Play 92
time
check.
is time is really.
Yeah, time is the issue.
He's made his last two.
Yes.
Oh, he's made.
Oh, he pre-moved.
But
yeah. Oh, Bishop C3 was a mistake. I think now it's very easy to pre-move for black.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my god, I didn't know that he can make so many pre-moves.
Oh, it's pre-moves.
E5, play E5. Play E5 pre-move.
E5.
Play E5, yeah.
Look at Karthik, he's also.
Support. Oh, he pre-moved. Oh, this is a big twist.
Oh, and he has 49 seconds. Yeah, he's steady there on 49 for last 5 moves.
Oh, Bishop E4 is a good move. Good move.
Oh, he played it.
Nice.
Wow.
Good.
Now play Bishop F2. Wait with the bishop.
Oh, he waited.
Yeah. Now because a pawn can't go to B7, that's the problem. Now pre-move Bishop E3.
Oh my god. Oh, he played. He should
Bishop
have
D4. Yeah, pre-move. But he pre-moved.
He pre-moved.
Take. Oh.
No.
No, B7 king. C7
He can still take and go king D5.
He took. Okay.
Oh.
He's coming here. He's coming here.
Yeah,
It's okay.
It's
It's actually good. It's actually good.
Oh my god, I'm just going to die here. Oh, it's winning.
Oh, but black is winning. Black is winning.
But he should take off the pawn because even if he loses on time, he should remove the bishop and pawn.
Yeah.
That's the point. Now play queen
And queen
G5,
G5,
and G4.
Queen H5.
Hey, if you take this, is that a draw or is that
Yes.
theoretical?
Yes.
Of course, it's a draw. It's a draw.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, he took it.
Oh, he took it.
Oh
King
my
G5.
god.
King G5.
But you know there are there are possibilities to.
Now you just push the pawn. Doesn't matter.
Pre-move.
Yeah.
He will do pre-move.
H4, H3, H2, and then H1. You cannot
Yeah,
stop.
just
But
play.
4 seconds. 4 seconds. Doesn't matter.
Oh,
And he
now-
should not. He
Oh,
should not
Bishop
take.
H1.
He should not
Bishop
take.
H1.
Yeah, Bishop H1.
Are
Oh,
Karthik,
No, this is 2 seconds. This is not possible. Or what?
Now
is
just
No, I
primo
think
with
this
the
is
king.
lost.
Primo with the
This
king.
is lost.
Primo with the king anywhere.
Even he
Like,
has
just
8
primo
seconds.
everywhere.
oh, he has 8 seconds.
Primo, primo. King H5, primo.
Oh no, he lost on time.
Primo.
Oh man.
Oh.
Oh,
What a game.
1 second.
Yeah,
What? He had
1.7
1
seconds.
second.
1.7 to Karthik.
What? This is great. Oof.
This is heartbreaking. This is so
Bro,
Yeah.
This is the most intense Armageddon game I have ever seen. Karthik Venkat has won this tournament. How are you feeling, Karthik? How was the match? Excellent.
Time panel very big time. Time panel is very big.
Very big time pressure.
very
Right.
big time
Right.
for him. Yeah.
And here, I think Harikrishna and Vidit both are here. They guys, if you can congratulate him for winning.
Hello, Karthik. Hello.
He's happy, man.
Yeah, he can hear. He must be very happy to. It's Harikrishna, Karthik. Harikrishna is talking to you.
Hello.
Fine.
Hello, Harikrishna.
చాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా ఆడుతున్నావు. నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఫాస్ట్ గానే ఆడతావా?
లేదు అంటే 15 minutes కాబట్టి నాకు పెద్ద అపోనెంట్లు అందరూ స్లోగా ఆడుతున్నారు కాబట్టి వాళ్ళకి కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి నేను ఫాస్ట్ ఆడుతున్నాను
ఓకే ఓకే. సో హీస్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఫాస్ట్.
నాకు చాలా వీక్ ఆడుతాను
Okay. So he's just playing fast because it's 15 minutes plus 10 seconds. Yeah, Armageddon game ఎలా జరిగింది?
అమేజింగ్
I thought
Yeah.
you said amazing, yeah.
Yes, he said amazing. Yeah, he said amazing. Yeah, very exciting
Yeah,
Armageddon.
Kishan, we wanted to come to you. Well, you lost this at the end, but you won so many hearts here by playing such brave chess.
Yeah, I just understood that after taking pawn it's draw. Otherwise, I would have brought king and took h5.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
I would like to tell you one thing, sir. Just now we have lost the electricity and network.
Oh
Just
my
now we
God.
have lost.
Oh,
God,
now
it's so
we have lost.
unfortunate for me.
Kishan is saying. Well, Kishan, I think.
Yeah.
Heavy winds are there and the electricity was stopped and the net was stopped.
Okay.
By God's grace, after the game is over,
That was really close. Yeah, just like 5 minutes after the game is over.
yes,
Yeah.
It is a-
Karthik, you win the first prize. You also get 30,000 rupees for this victory. But more than
Thank
that, you fought unbelievably well. I think so many people have loved your way of playing. You beat Shashikant Kutwal yesterday, who was the top seed. I think you deserve this victory. Kishan, you finished second. You win 25,000.
Okay, thank you, sir. Very kind of you.
And congrats both of you. Like really,
Yeah.
I enjoyed the Armageddon. It was a great game.
Karthik KVK has had cerebral palsy with 74% physical disability since birth. He was diagnosed much later in his life, but by then he was already in pursuit of becoming a star chess player. Karthik has a peak rating higher than 2100 ELO and has persevered hard in the chess world to get to that point. He has an IF norm, which alone is a clear indicator of his playing strength. He was the Commonwealth Chess Champion in the physically disabled section at Glasgow in 2014. He has also achieved the feat of being the 3-time physically disabled National Chess Champion in 2015, 17 and 2018. He has represented India at the Para-Asian Games in Jakarta, Indonesia in 2018 and at the FIDE Online Olympiad for people with disabilities. Karthik has less trouble with mobility but unfortunately lost vision in his right eye a few years ago. He is pushing through all the obstacles in his path and he devotes all of his time to chess. His performance has been astounding over the years, and he can certainly pull off some amazing plays in the games to come.